What is the easiest traditional Irish instrument for beginners? Imagine sitting in a cozy Irish pub, surrounded by lively music and cheerful voices. If you want to join in the fun and learn Irish tunes, choosing the right instrument makes all the difference. With so many traditional instruments to pick from, it can be tricky to find one that's simple to start with. Luckily, one instrument stands out for its ease and quick learning curve. That instrument is the tin whistle, sometimes called a penny whistle. It is a small, six-holed woodwind instrument that produces bright, clear sounds. The best part is you don't need any prior musical experience to start playing. Just hold the whistle, learn a few fingerings, and you can start playing simple melodies almost right away. It is affordable, with prices usually between $10 and $20, and you can find them in most music shops across Ireland. They are also very portable, so you can carry one in your bag while exploring the country. The tin whistle is designed to be easy to learn because it plays in a specific key called a diatonic scale. That means you don't have to worry about complicated fingerings or adjusting notes. Unlike the Irish flute, which needs a precise mouth position and breath control, the whistle only needs gentle blowing. The 6 holes are straightforward to cover with your fingers, making it perfect for beginners of all ages. Many travelers find that the tin whistle is a great way to join local music sessions in pubs or parks. You can practice quietly in your hotel room or on a bus. In Ireland, there are many shops that sell whistles and even offer beginner lessons or informal workshops. Learning a few simple tunes can make your trip more memorable and help you connect with Irish culture. While instruments like the fiddle or Irish flute are beautiful and rich in tradition, they requiring more practice and technical skill to play well. The concertina, with its buttons and bellows, also takes time to master. The guitar and mandolin are popular in Irish music, but are not traditional Irish instruments. They are often used to support melodies rather than lead them. In short, if you want an easy, fun, and accessible way to experience Irish music during your travels, the tin whistle is your best choice. It's simple enough for beginners, affordable, and easy to carry around. Playing it allows you to quickly join in the lively spirit of Irish music, learn from local musicians, and carry a piece of Ireland's musical heritage with you wherever you go.